Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. So, moving forward on the topic of pragmatic leadership, I thought I will give you some broad perspectives of how the book is structured, so that will probably help you in getting your orientation while you are going to make use of this book. Primarily, when I structured this book, as I mentioned in my previous session, I kept three major sections, which is essentially the personal leadership, the team leadership, and then finally the organization leadership. So you will find these three major sections which are dividing the whole book into three parts. So whenever you get into any particular chapter, after you go through the introduction part, you will start with the personal leadership, in which I have given the various kind of tips for how one can take charge of his own self. And then subsequently, when you move on to the team leadership, you will find the various aspects that you can master in order to become a good team player. Similarly, when we move on to the organization leadership as the last section in the whole book, you will get the perspective of how one can groom himself or herself to become an organization leader. So whenever you take any particular chapter, you will find there is one theme on which I develop the topic. When I say one theme, I really attempted to bring in the characteristics I observed on successful leaders who groomed themselves to develop those kind of behaviors. And then I explained how one can go about really building his own database in order to bring that kind of a behavior. Also, I felt that it should not look like a prescription. So hence I have dealt with the various topics in a more subtler manner. When I say subtler manner, I try to give you some kind of direction that which way one can develop his own competency. But I am not given a direct prescription that do this or do that. For the very simple reason, I felt that the reader must use his own ingenuity to figure out what is the message that is coming in each chapter, so that he gets a satisfaction that he found the way for his own career development. So in case if you have missed any of those important aspects while you read the book, I have given a section at the end of each chapter which is called Points to Ponder. So in this Points to Ponder section, I have attempted to give you the various essence of the synopsis of the particular chapter, so that just in case if you have missed some of the key points I have discussed, you may be able to get those things in the Points to Ponder section. So wherever it is possible in each chapter, I have included an anecdote. When I say an anecdote, is nothing but an interview I have taken from one of the very successful leader, and then I have given their life stories, so that it becomes very relevant for you to appreciate that there is a practical example of a case study from a person who has really applied those kind of aspects in their life. So wherever the people have given the permission, I have disclosed their identity. Wherever I could not get their permission for variety of reasons, I have not given their identity, as well as in any way I disclosed that you can figure out who is the person I am talking about. So nevertheless, the whole content flows in such a way that it keeps your attention during the course when you read the book, so that you will be able to take the full advantage of getting some directions for grooming yourself as a very successful leader. So that is the broad structure of the book, and look forward to give you some more deeper insights as we go along. So in the succeeding videos, I would like to talk about each chapter to the extent that is possible so that I can give you a flavor of what that particular chapter is talking about, and then you can get the synopsis of those content so that you will be able to develop those competencies as you go along. Just in case if you wish to read the book, kindly buy the book from the Amazon. It is available, and then in the YouTube I have given the reference in the bottom so that you will be able to get these books and take good advantage of this resource. Thank you very much. Nice talking to you, and God bless you for a wonderful career ahead. Take care. Have a nice day.